Put cooking oil in wok on medium to low heat and add crushed 1 tablespoon of garlic, ginger and suet. Add half a kilogram chicken mince and fry with ginger garlic. Add cloves, black cardamom and cinnamon stick. Fry it with chicken mince. Add tomatoes and mix. Add all these spices and mix. Now cover with lid for 5 minutes on medium to low heat. Add chopped onion and cook it with material on medium to high flame for 5 minutes and cover lid for 2 minutes. Cook it on high flame for 5 to 7 minutes or until onion gets softened. Add green chili and mix with mince. Now add crushed black pepper and mix it. Put off the flame and cover the lid for 5 minutes. Dish out. Mince is ready.